set address in Pocket HRMS 2.0 mobile application. First, tap on the three horizontal lines hamburger menu located at the top left corner of the screen. Select the Leave module from the menu and tap on Request. Select the Set Address tab. Then, tap on the plus icon to add a new location entry. If prompted by your device, tap Allow to grant the app necessary permissions to access your current location. Accurately fill in the details regarding your whereabouts, such as your street address, city, or PIN code during the specified period. Tap Save Location to submit and store the address details in the system.